Inside a Beijing factory, robotic arms move like machines from a science fiction movie while glowing molten metal pours into giant molds at speed. On another screen, the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra flies around the Nurburgring passing performance cars as sparks explode behind it. Then the camera reveals something crazier, a hypercasting machine larger than 2 basketball courts producing a chassis section in less than 2 minutes. A smartphone company just built a car chassis, advanced that it may have made traditional aluminum obsolete. And the strangest part is that artificial intelligence helped invent the metal. This machine created a car stiffer than a Bugatti, faster than a Porsche, and engineered in a way the world once called impossible. Just a few years ago, Xiaomi was famous for affordable smartphones, electric scooters, and kitchen gadgets. Nobody expected the company to challenge Porsche, Tesla, or the automotive manufacturers on Earth. Yet suddenly, engineers across the world are paying attention to one Chinese company. How did Xiaomi create a new alloy using artificial intelligence? Why are automakers becoming nervous about this technology? And why does one gigantic machine suddenly threaten 100 years of car manufacturing history? To understand why this changes everything, we first need to examine the old system that the automotive industry has relied on for generations. For decades, cars have been built almost exactly the same way. Manufacturers stamp flat steel sheets into shapes, weld hundreds of parts together, and assemble the final structure piece by piece. It is similar to cutting cardboard, folding sections, and taping everything together. The process works, but every weld creates another weak point, more vibration, extra cabin noise, and weight. Electric vehicles made the problem even worse because massive battery packs required stronger and heavier chassis systems. More weight demanded larger batteries, creating an endless cycle. Then Tesla introduced gigacasting, replacing dozens of welded pieces with one giant aluminum section. Production became faster and lighter, but aluminum weakened after cooling and required heat treatment ovens. And this is where the entire industry hit a wall. Tesla proved that giant cast aluminum sections could replace dozens of welded parts, but the technology still carried one hidden weakness. When molten aluminum cools naturally, the microscopic crystal structures inside the metal form in random directions. From the outside, the piece looks perfectly solid, but under heavy stress, the structure can crack, flex, or deform more easily than engineers want. To fix this, manufacturers use a process called heat treatment. The cast metal is placed into enormous industrial ovens and baked for several hours at extremely high temperatures. That heat reorganizes the tiny crystal structures and transforms the metal into something much stronger. Think about raw dough and freshly baked bread. The ingredients are technically the same, but the final structure becomes completely different after heat is applied. The problem is that heat treatment creates another disaster. As the giant aluminum pieces bake inside the ovens, they slowly warp and twist. Even tiny changes become dangerous when building a high-performance vehicle where every millimeter matters. Doors can stop aligning correctly. Suspension mounting points can shift slightly out of position. Panels no longer fit together perfectly. Manufacturers spent years trying to balance strength and precision at the same time, but they could never fully solve both problems together. Most companies accepted the limitation. Xiaomi refused to. Xiaomi engineers searched through existing aluminum alloys across the global market, hoping to find one material capable of delivering everything they needed. Nothing worked. Some alloys were strong but brittle. Others were flexible but inaccurate after cooling. Some required expensive heat treatment, while others failed under stress. Xiaomi wanted strength, flexibility, dimensional precision, and zero heat treatment all at once. Traditional materials could not achieve those goals together. Instead of compromising like everyone else, Xiaomi made an extreme decision. They asked artificial intelligence to invent an entirely new metal from scratch. Xiaomi built a deep learning system called Material Genome and trained it using massive amounts of data from metallurgy, chemistry, and alloy science. Then they gave the system one mission: create the perfect automotive casting alloy. The artificial intelligence simulated more than 10 million alloy combinations involving aluminum, silicon, magnesium, and rare earth elements. The scale is difficult to imagine. If a human scientist tested one alloy formula every single day, it would take more than 27,000 years to complete that many experiments. Imagine trying to bake the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Instead of testing 20 recipes manually, the computer instantly simulates millions of ingredient combinations, temperatures, and baking times until it discovers the exact recipe that produces perfection. Xiaomi applied that same concept to material science. Eventually, the system produced a completely new alloy called Titan's metal. Titan's metal solved the industry problem that manufacturers believed was impossible. The alloy comes out strong immediately after casting, meaning no massive baking ovens are required. Without heat treatment, the metal no longer warps or twists during production. The parts remain extremely precise, manufacturing becomes dramatically faster, and factories consume far less energy. Every section fits together more accurately, improving overall structural quality throughout the car. But Xiaomi still needed a machine powerful enough to use it, and that challenge pushed Xiaomi toward the next stage of the revolution. Engineers designed a gigantic manufacturing system capable of injecting molten Titan's metal with unbelievable force and precision. The machine would become one of the largest casting systems ever installed inside an automotive factory, changing vehicle production forever. Xiaomi now had a revolutionary alloy, but the company still needed a machine powerful enough to shape that material into a vehicle structure. Tesla shocked the automotive world with its gigantic gigapress machines. Xiaomi responded by building something even larger. The company introduced the Hypercasting machine, capable of generating 9,100 tons of clamping force. The machine stretches across an area as large as 2 basketball courts. Inside the machine, Titan's metal is heated to nearly 700 degrees Celsius before being fired into precision molds at incredible speed. That speed matters because of a hidden problem inside cast metals. When molten material flows too slowly, tiny air pockets become trapped inside the structure. Those bubbles become microscopic cracks that can weaken the chassis over time. Xiaomi solved the issue by using injection speeds so fast that bubbles never have time to form inside the mold. The result is an incredibly dense structure with aerospace-level precision and strength. And what this machine produced shocked the industry. In a traditional car factory, the rear floor section of a vehicle is made from 72 separate steel parts connected through more than 840 welds. Every piece must be manufactured, transported, aligned, clamped, and welded together during assembly. The process takes hours and requires workers, robots, and inspectors. Every weld also creates another weakness where vibration, noise, or fatigue can eventually appear. Xiaomi eliminated that complexity. The Hypercasting machine creates the entire rear floor section as one single piece in just 100 seconds. 72 parts become one. 840 welds disappear completely. The final section becomes lighter, quieter, and stronger at the same time. Fewer joints mean less vibration and lower cabin noise at highway speeds. But the most insane innovation was still hiding under the floor. Most electric vehicles today treat the battery like a giant storage box bolted underneath the chassis. The battery powers the car, but structurally it behaves like dead weight. Xiaomi engineers asked one simple question: what if the battery itself became part of the skeleton of the car? That idea led to a system called cell-to-body technology. Instead of attaching the battery underneath the structure, Xiaomi integrated the battery directly into the chassis itself. The cabin floor became part of the battery system, allowing the entire car to function as one connected structure. Then Xiaomi added innovation. The battery cells were flipped upside down so their pressure release valves faced toward the road instead of toward passengers. This safer design removed the need for thick internal protection layers above the battery pack. The result was an ultra-thin battery floor that lowered the center of gravity of the vehicle. Lower weight distribution improved handling and cornering stability through turns. The structural rigidity numbers became almost unbelievable. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra achieved torsional stiffness greater than a Ford Raptor and even stronger than a Bugatti Chiron. A car built by a smartphone company became stiffer than a Bugatti. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra produces 1,548 horsepower using 3 electric motors spinning at 27,200 revolutions per minute. Those rotational speeds are far beyond what most production electric vehicles can safely achieve. In a conventional chassis, that level of force would slowly damage the structure over time. But Xiaomi engineered every component together as one connected system. The material, chassis, battery, motors, and manufacturing process were designed simultaneously instead of separately. Each system supports the others perfectly. The true breakthrough was not only the vehicle itself. Xiaomi changed the philosophy behind automotive manufacturing. Traditional companies usually improve older systems slowly over decades. Xiaomi ignored those assumptions and started from zero. Artificial intelligence designed the alloy. Hypercasting replaced complex assembly lines. Structural batteries became part of the chassis. Every component was engineered together from the beginning. The real innovation was not the car, it was the process. That process may force every major automaker to rethink how future vehicles are built. Artificial intelligence is now entering manufacturing itself, while cars are evolving into combinations of software, materials, science, and engineering. Technology companies are becoming engineering leaders capable of competing directly with the biggest manufacturers on Earth. The future of cars may no longer belong to car companies. Now we want to hear your opinion. Could another technology company like Apple, Samsung, or Google build a supercar capable of competing with Xiaomi? And would you trust a car designed by a smartphone company? Subscribe for more next-generation engineering and future technology stories, because the next few years are going to move faster than most people realize.